Mr. Tandy, what are you doing?
I am writing. What are you doing?
I am laughing. What are you doing?
I am running. This is called present continuous. We put ing on the end of verbs. Jumping, laughing, running. We use present continuous when we talk about something that is happening right now.
What are you doing?
I'm drinking water.
Sam is here. May I go to the bathroom now?
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm looking at my watch.
Teresa, what are you doing?
I'm dancing. Mr. Tandy, what are you doing?
I'm pulling the paper.
I'm tearing the paper.
She's tearing the paper. Teresa is looking at a magazine. Now she is reading the magazine. I have a hairbrush. Have.
I have an apple.
Sam has an apple. Has. Eat the apple. Teresa, is Sam sleeping?
No, he is not sleeping.
Isabel, what is Sam doing?
He's eating an apple.
She has a magazine.
I have a magazine.
Teresa, tear the magazine. Isabel, is Teresa throwing a ball?
No, she's not throwing a ball.
Sam, what is Teresa doing?
She's tearing the magazine.
Isabel has orange juice.
I have orange juice.
Isabel, drink the orange juice. Sam, is Isabel running?
No, she isn't running.
Teresa, what is Isabel doing?
She's drinking the orange juice.
To ask a question about what they have, use do or does. Sam, do you have a magazine?
No, I don't have a magazine. I have an apple.
Teresa, does Sam have an apple?
Yes, Sam has an apple.
Isabel, do you have an apple?
No, I don't have an apple. I have orange juice.
Teresa, do you have a magazine?
Yes, I have a magazine.
Isabel, what does Sam have?
Sam has an apple.
Teresa, what does Isabel have?
Isabel has orange juice.
Sam, what does Teresa have?
Teresa has a magazine.
Teresa, does Sam have a backpack?
No, Sam does not have a backpack. He has an apple.
Isabel, does Teresa have a TV?
No, she doesn't have a TV. She has a magazine.
Sam, does Isabel have orange juice?
Yes, Isabel has orange juice.
Do I have a book?
No, you do not have a book.
What do I have?
You have a hairbrush.
Do and does are also verbs. I do my homework. Teresa does her homework.
What do you do after school?
After school, I do the dishes. I do the dishes. All right, everybody, it's now 10:05. Please return to the classroom at 10:15.
Mr. Tandy, you have wonderful students.
They're your students too. Thank you for helping.
Sam, you're early.
No, I'm Sam.
No, Sam, you are early for class.
What does early mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:10. You're here before 10:15. You're early. Hi, Teresa. You're on time.
What does on time mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:15. You're on time.
I was early. You were on time.
Isabel, you are late.
What does late mean?
Mr. Tandy asked you to be here at 10:15. Now it's 10:20. You're arriving after 10:15. You're late. If Mr. Tandy asks you to be here at 10:15, you have to arrive at 10:15 or before 10:15.
Sam was early. I was on time. You are late.
Arriving late is bad. Don't come to class late. Come to class on time. After school, you are going to stay here for 20 minutes. Stay.
Okay.
If you have a test tomorrow, what do you have to do tonight?
If I have a test tomorrow, I have to study tonight.
Good, Teresa. What does study mean?
Study means to get ready for a test. If I study, I can take the test.
How do you study?
We look at our class notes and read our books.
We also ask the teacher a lot of questions.
Study. Study.
Have and has can be used when something is yours or you're holding it. I have a car. Teresa has a pencil. Have and has are also used when something must happen. I have to go to the bathroom. She has to study for her test.
Isabel, can you go to the park with